What are the 6 biggest mistakes people make when buying solar panels? First, congratulations on your desire to go solar. With the exploding growth of the solar market and the advancements in solar technologies, solar energy is a great investment and offers a wide range of benefits and security for you and your family. As a prospective solar energy customer, there are a few common mistakes that are often made which will not only cost you money, but could jeopardize the quality of your service and the value of your solar energy system. In this video, we're going to examine the 6 biggest mistakes people often make when buying solar panels. Mistake number 1, finding the right contractor. There are many people who feel solar is simply plug and play. Many of these individuals hire friends or neighbors to install their solar or try to install it themselves. There are some major concerns to consider with this idea. First of all, power is only allowed to be tied into the grid by a licensed electrician. Find a contractor with years of experience and all the appropriate licensing, which includes an S200 or S202 electrical license from the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners, or NABCEP for short, who is trained and certified. Second of all, DC and AC power are very different. Your home is running on AC power, but solar produces DC or direct current power. If solar power is not handled correctly, serious electrical challenges could result. You'll also want to make certain that your installer has the appropriate insurance that will protect you and your investment. There's a 50% turnover each year in solar contractors in the state of Utah. This is due to both economic factors as well as being a new growth sector in the economy. Choose carefully who will install your solar. Remember, you get what you pay for. Mistake number 2, doing it yourself. Buying solar equipment from the internet sounds like it should save you money. However, in most cases, it will cost you more in the long run. All equipment that is installed to the grid must come with what is called a UL listing or equivalent. This means that the product has been tested, tried, and found worthy of being installed to their grid. In many cases, a homeowner can receive tax credit and rebate money for installing solar. In order to receive any tax incentives and/or rebates, the system must be installed by a licensed electrician and be inspected by your local jurisdiction. Insurance companies will not cover claims if work done is not covered under a licensed contractor. To maximize the production from your solar array, there is engineering and system sizing that must be considered. In addition, equipment from different manufacturers may not work as efficiently together. Proper training and experience are vital for a successful solar installation. Mistake number 3 is consumption limits. Homeowners are often led to believe solar can create an unlimited supply of power to their home. The fact is, the amount of energy you can use depends on the size of your array. For example, lighting can be as much as 25% of a typical home's bill and even more for commercial buildings. In some circumstances, it makes more sense to upgrade lighting and save money with energy efficiency rather than adding more solar to your rooftop. Other areas that should be considered are old appliances, insulation, programmable thermostats, and more. It's common for people that put solar on a home or business to start using more power. The 4th mistake is cheaper is not always better. Quality is key to solar production and longevity. Most systems come with a minimum production warranty. You want to make sure you pick a proven and strong company who can stand behind what they promise. The production of a panel should be what a company promises, and you want a reliable company that can honor their warranties in the rare case that something happens to your system. The 5th most common mistake is sizing the system. There are many myths about how much solar one really needs, from size of the home to the amount of power you use. There are many factors that people want to consider. The better the calculations for accurate production, the better your system can meet the needs of your energy consumption. Several variables that must be accounted for accurate sizing include temperature, wire size, location of the panels, type of equipment used, and the list goes on. And the 6th and final biggest mistake that people often make when buying solar panels are unrealistic expectations. We use power every day, 24 hours a day. Some circuits in the home are always on. Refrigerators, computers, wall plug-ins, clocks, the TV. These are all called parasitic loads or power loads that are always pulling power. With a solar array, we are getting 5 to 6 hours of real sunlight hitting the panels. This means we are trying to power a 24-hour day worth of power in only a 5 to 6 hour time frame to produce the power. This reality needs to be considered. When thinking about solar array for your home, solar panels take up a certain amount of space and we only have a certain amount of roof or yard space to squeeze the production into. Progressive Power Solutions has a knowledgeable, trained sales staff that can help you determine the type and size of your system. A NABCEP certified design engineer reviews every job and will design your solar energy system to meet your needs. We have licensed electricians with years of experience in off-grid, grid interactive, and backup systems. Progressive Power is experienced and can build systems from single panel to megawatt production plants. To learn more or to get a comprehensive quote, just click on the link right below this video or visit us online at www.ppswest.com. You can also call us at 801-367-7282 for additional information.